Aria. This is our room. Very, very nice room. This is the hallway. On this side, we have a closet. 2 rows. Very nice rows. Has your ironing board, in case you guys need it. And of course, they will leave you a package, especially because of COVID. They leave you a package, has masks in it and sanitizers with a welcome letter. When you walk in, you will find a sticker that says that it has been sanitized for your safety. It has a privacy little, but you can also have it outside. On the outside, it has privacy. This is a special gift for us for our anniversary. They send it to us. It's candy, and apparently it's from the steakhouse. It's sugar fina candy. That was nice of them.
We're celebrating 20 years of marriage with them.
With us.
Here at the hotel.
And of course there's drawers, very spacious drawers. We haven't gotten our luggage yet. We have it down at the concierge and they're coming up with our luggage now since we're in our room. But there's plenty of room. This one is another closet. And of course you can put your bag in there rather than out there. You can just open it and put it there. And then to my left is our restroom. It does have a barn door to slides, as you can see, very easy. On this side is our shower. And you open up, we have a tub within the shower. Of course, they give you some shampoos and some conditioners. And then behind me is frosted glass, which is the bathroom. You also have a phone in there in case you need to make an emergency phone call. I like this part. It has double sink. His and hers. Gotta have his and hers. Of course, your towels. Then your blow dryers in here. And then of course, ladies, we have a mirror that lights up for your makeup. I like to use this. If you guys haven't used it, it's great. Especially when the lighting here is not that bright. And then we come this way, you have a full length mirror.
Push that one. Get more light.
Yeah, this is a full length mirror, which is good. And we were interrupted a little bit. We got our luggage, they brought it, and they actually put our things in the closet. They put his jacket in this side. They hung them up for us. That was from the concierge. And then of course, this is a queen size bed or king size bed?
King size
bed. I actually like this. It's very, very pretty. This is very modern and electronic, which I don't understand this, but this is the main board. You control your
Controls the whole room.
yeah, the lights, your curtains, the TV, everything. And of course, they have outlets, USB-C ports for your charging. They have a table in case you want to eat something. You can put it here. And of course, they have drawer spaces on both sides. You have 2 chairs right here, which I like, and they're very, very, very comfortable. I like the view. And over here, they have your ice bucket and the ice.
Don't touch that one.
No,
Those are all pressurized.
the thing.
If you have anything that's in here that you ask for, it is pressurized, so as soon as you move it, they charge you for it. Just like in here. The mini bar's in here. So you got anything and everything.
You move it, you pay.
Yep.
My question was, I was looking for coffee, but I guess we don't have coffee. And that is a big no-no for me because I like coffee in the morning. So that about is the only thing I'm not really happy with. But this is the big screen TV, table, the remote, and of course over here on this side you have more USB-Cs. And then also if you're a big gamer, you bring a game, you connect it to there and it will play on your TV. So that is the tour of the Aria. But like I said, the only downfall, no coffee for me. I'm gonna have to call and ask.
But our room has a view of the
Tell
Cosmopolitan
them what.
right there with the pool. Nice big old bay window. And if we come over here, you can see a little bit of the strip. And probably one of the best things you can do is when you come over to this, you got your room controls, your drapes. If you want to black it out, hit close, and they are automatic.
Voila!
It just runs.
All the way down.
And then when you do first get here, as soon as you open your door and you walk in and the drapes are closed,
Automatic.
they automatically open for you. But, so that is like one cool thing. Instead of pulling it yourself, you just hit. And there's your privacy. Doink. So, but overall, nice room. So, my baby did a good job of giving you a tour, her first official tour. So we'll see what else we can find.
I'm used to the cruise.
Yeah,
They
the
usually
rooms.
give you cruise tours, the room.
But yet, you know, the rooms on there are a quarter of the size of this. It's probably the size of the bed. But hope you guys enjoy. We'll look see if we can make some more.